Apple. Where's the letter A? Where's the apple? Where's the balloons? Where's the letter B for balloons? B for balloons. Very good. Where's the letter C for car? Very good. Car. Where's the letter C? Very good. Where's the dal? Dal for letter D. Very good. Where's the dal? Very good. Dal. Dal, it's letter D. Letter D. Where's the dal? Dal. Very good. Where's the letter E for eggs? Where's eggs? Letter E. Where's very good. Where's the egg? Eggs. 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 Very good. Where's the flower for letter F? Very good. Letter F. Where's the flower? Flower. Flowers. Very good. Where's the letter G for grapes? Grapes. Very good. Where's the grapes? Grapes. Letter G. Letter G. Yeah, very good. Where's the grapes? Very good. Where's the horse? Very good. Where's the letter H? H for horse. Very good. Where's ice cream? Where's the letter I for ice cream? Letter I. Very good. Where's the jacket? For letter J. J. Where's the jacket? Where's the letter K? For kite. Kite. Very good. Where's the letter K?
Chicken and salad.
Very good. Where's the lion? For letter L. Very good. Letter L. Where's the lion? Lion. Very good. Where's the mouse? For letter M. Very good. Where's the nuts? Nuts. Where's the nuts? For letter N. Letter N. Where's the nuts? For letter N. No. Where's the letter N for nuts? Where's the nuts? Very good. Letter N for nuts. Where's the orange? Orange for O. Letter O. Orange. Letter N for nuts. Where's the letter O? Where's the letter O for orange? Where's pencil for letter P? Where's the pencil? Pencil. Where's the pencil? Very good. Where's the queen for letter Q? Very good. Where's the queen? Queen. Very good. Where's the R? Letter R for radio. Radio. Very good. Where's the shoes for letter S? Shoes. Very good. Where's the letter S? Shoes. Very good. Where's the telephone? Clyde. Baba. Psst. Where's the telephone for letter T? Telephone. Where's the letter T? For telephone. Where's the umbrella? For letter U. Where's the base for letter B? Very good. Where's the watch? Where's the watch? Very good. Where's the xylophone for X? X. Xylophone. Telephone yan. Yan. Very good. Where's the yacht? Yacht. For letter Y. Yacht. Clyde. Where's the yacht? Where's zebra? For letter Z. Very good. Zebra, zebra. Very good. Suha. Papaya. Saging. Saging. Pakwan. Mangga. Mangga. No, no, it's not a manga. Mangga. No, 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 no. It's avocado. Avocado. Guyabano. Guyabano. Chico. Chico. Mangga. Lanzones. Kasoy. Banana. Saging. English, banana. Where's pineapple? Pinya. Very good. Bayabas. Bayabas. Atis. Where's the bird? Fish. Dog. Duck. Rooster. Goat. Cat. Pig. Horse. Sheep. 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 Monkey. Turkey. Carabao. Cow. Very good. That's my girl.